If the gentlemen workers were correct, we are on our way to the waterfall hike. If you park at Dona's Donuts, you head straight up. The road will end, then you turn right. Where we're at right now. Alright, we have reached the waterfall, as you can see. Took like 2 minutes once you get on the trail, so. Alright, here's another waterfall. Like a double. Alright, we have a third set of falls. Here we have Lake Chapala and Ajijic in the town. Alright, we're going to turn around. We don't know exactly where the top is. It was just me and my lovely bride. We'd keep going, but we're going to go back down. Trying to catch butterflies.